Marchi Mobile eleMMent motorhome. This opulent, customizable home away from home is a top-tier model in the world of high-end motorhomes. Split between 2 stories, you'll find an amalgamation of features from motorsports, aviation, and yachting under one roof. The automatic lift system converts the Sky Lounge into an enclosed roof deck, complete with furniture and radiant floor heating. Additional features include a spacious master bedroom with a king-size bed supplied by the British royal family's bed manufacturer. This leads to a private retreat equipped with a glazed rainfall shower and light therapy architectural mirrors. The centerpiece of the lounge area is the 4-meter couch, which provides easy access to a bar, wine cabinet, ice maker, and large TV screen. There are also a handful of high-tech features thrown into the mix, including a unique air circulation system and an adjustable sun protection system built into the striking panoramic windshield. For those prepared to fork out more than $1 million, Marchi Mobile, a subsidiary of Marchi Group, is the automaker behind this mansion on wheels. Furrion is a leading manufacturer of premium products for mobile, off-grid living that has redefined luxury mobility and compact living. Engineers, technologists, and designers are brought together to create a concept motorhome that combines innovation with luxurious comfort. The inclusion of a 2-seater helicopter that descends onto the helipad adds exclusive air travel and convenience to the Elysium experience. Why not take advantage of the hot tub that's located right beside the landing pad on the roof? Those who prefer high-tech living while on the road will appreciate the security system, Wi-Fi, and smart appliances, which account for the premium price tag starting at $2.5 million. Inside, you'll find every appliance you would expect to find within a home, such as a wine refrigerator, oven, dishwater, and a microwave, and, with the smart toilet and smart shower, some you wouldn't. With the inclusion of not 1 but 2 TVs, entertainment has definitely been considered. Morelo Grand Empire in the world of luxury motorhomes, Morelo stands for comfort and quality with its Made in Germany stamp of approval. The European manufacturer is a leader in the space, building first-class motorhomes from its facility in Schlüsselfeld in Germany. Boasting 12 loudspeakers and phenomenal sound insulation, the Grand Empire provides the perfect conditions for living and sleeping regardless of external temperatures. Made for longer journeys in mind, the driver's cab seats can be rotated and guests can enjoy a relaxing massage while seated in the luxury lounge. First-class comfort and quality are guaranteed with the water gel mattresses, LED lighting, and elegant surfaces at almost every turn. The attention to detail extends to the glass windows, which are tinted, hinged, and insulated. With the built-in rear garage, which accommodates a vehicle up to 4.6 meters in length, you'll be able to enjoy day trips to far-flung destinations. Plus, the slide-out option, up to 45 centimeters, creates a spacious living and kitchen area to make your travels as homely as possible with just the click of a button. Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum is a luxurious motorhome built by Vario Mobile. It is considered one of the most expensive RVs ever made, with a starting price of €881,020, approximately $1,042,450 and reaching well over €1.4 million, $1.7 million USD. When fully loaded with options, this behemoth of a vehicle measures 39 feet, 12 meters, long and has a gross vehicle weight rating of 26 tons. It is based on a Mercedes-Benz Actros or MAN TGS chassis and is powered by a 530 horsepower engine. One of the most distinctive features of the Perfect 1200 Platinum is its XXL car garage, which can hold a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT or a similar-sized sports car. The garage also has a self-supporting car platform that can be raised or lowered hydraulically. The interior of the Perfect 1200 Platinum is just as impressive as the exterior. It features a spacious living area with high-quality furniture and appliances, a luxurious bathroom, and a comfortable bedroom. The interior can be customized to the owner's specifications, with a variety of layouts and finishes available. Adria Sonic Supreme is a high-end integrated motorhome built by Adria Mobile, a renowned Slovenian company known for their quality and innovative designs. It falls under the category of luxury RVs, offering a spacious and comfortable living area designed for those who enjoy all the comforts of home while on the road. Stylish design. The Sonic Supreme boasts a sleek and modern exterior with a silver aluminum body and a panoramic window for unobstructed views. The interior features a contemporary design with high-quality furniture, fittings, and a choice of different layouts and upholstery options. Spacious living area. The Sonic Supreme provides a generous living space with a free-flowing layout that creates a sense of openness. The comfortable dinette with a low separation wall seamlessly integrates with the kitchen, making it ideal for socializing and entertaining. Comfortable bedrooms. The Sonic Supreme offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 or 5 people, depending on the chosen model. The beds are spacious and comfortable, ensuring a good night's sleep on your adventures. Advanced features. The Adria Sonic Supreme is packed with modern features, including a multimedia system with Bluetooth connectivity, adjustable temperature control, ample storage throughout the cabin, and LED lighting. Fleetwood Discovery 38N is a luxurious Class A diesel motorhome designed for comfortable travel for families or couples who enjoy entertaining. It features a spacious interior with a well-appointed kitchen, 2 full bathrooms, and sleeping accommodations for up to 8 people. Powerful engine. The Discovery 38N comes equipped with a Cummins B6.7L turbocharged diesel engine that provides 360 horsepower for strong performance on the road. Spacious interior. With an 84-inch ceiling height and a full wall slide-out, the Discovery 38N offers a generous amount of living space. The interior features high-quality furniture and finishes, creating a comfortable and stylish environment. Dual bathrooms. One advantage of the 38N is its 2 full bathrooms, providing convenience and privacy for everyone on board. The rear bathroom is even connected to the master bedroom for additional convenience. Sleeping accommodations. The Discovery 38N can sleep up to 8 people. The master bedroom features an articulating king-size bed, while the convertible bunk beds in the rear can sleep additional guests. There's also a sofa sleeper and a booth dinette that converts into a bed. Airstream eStream concept is a futuristic vision of a fully electric travel trailer by the renowned RV manufacturer Airstream. It showcases a blend of innovative features and sustainable design, poised to revolutionize the way we travel and camp. Fully electric, the eStream completely ditches propane and gas, running on a large battery bank and solar roof for power. This translates to environmentally friendly camping with no emissions and potentially reduced reliance on campground hookups. Extended range and towing assistance. The eStream integrates electric drive axles that can provide power to the wheels, extending the towing range of the tow vehicle and reducing strain, especially on hilly terrain. Remote control maneuvering. Imagine hassle-free parking. The eStream can be maneuvered at low speeds using a remote control, making it a breeze to position the trailer perfectly at your campsite. Modern interior design. The eStream features a sleek and modern interior designed for comfort and functionality. The 22-foot trailer offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 people, with a rear bed and a front convertible dinette. Maverick Viñales MV12 is an incredible motorhome created by Rioja Singular Vehicles. It's essentially a transforming 2-story luxury apartment on wheels. Here are some highlights. The roof elevates at the push of a button, creating overhead space for the second floor of the interior. Inside, you'll find a master bedroom with a large bed, computer desk, clothes dresser, TV screen, and even a bathroom with a toilet and sink. Other areas include a second bedroom, a children's room, a shower, and a living room with 2 TVs. Maverick MV12 speaker. The Maverick MV12 is a 12-inch active Bluetooth speaker designed for high performance, versatility, and compact dimensions. It features an 1100W convection-cooled power amplifier module that precisely matches the specifications of the speaker transducers. Yamaha Maverick Viñales Collection, MV12. Maverick Viñales, a motorcycle champion, is part of the movie star Yamaha MotoGP team. The MV12 collection includes comfortable clothing featuring his image. STX Motorhomes 3 pop-outs refers to their motorhome models that feature a design with 3 expandable sections known as pop-outs. These pop-outs significantly increase the living space of the motorhome when deployed, providing a more comfortable and spacious interior. Here's what you can expect from an STX Motorhomes 3 pop-outs model. Spacious interior. With the 3 pop-outs extended, these motorhomes offer a generous living area. This makes them ideal for families or groups who need ample space to move around and relax. Increased comfort. The extra space provided by the pop-outs allows for larger furniture, a more comfortable living area, and a more spacious kitchen and bathroom. Versatility. The pop-outs can be configured in different ways depending on the model, providing flexibility for different needs and activities. STX3 pop-out on Mercedes Actros chassis. This is the flagship model from STX, built on a powerful Mercedes Actros chassis.